In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to send Ethereum from Coinbase to Trezor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up your Trezor wallet so you can receive Ethereum and how to send it from Coinbase or any other wallet exchange. So first, all that you have to do is set up your Trezor and generate a receiving address. So connect your Trezor device to your computer. This is going to be done using a USB cable. Afterwards, open Trezor Suite. If you look at the left side of the screen, you will be able to find a plus sign that you can click on and then choose Ethereum as the crypto asset that you would like to create a wallet for. Once you have successfully created the Ethereum wallet, all that you have to do is click on Receive. This is going to generate a new Ethereum address. Copy this address to your clipboard. Once you have this Ethereum wallet address for your Trezor, send the Ethereum from Coinbase. So log into your Coinbase account and go to your Ethereum wallet. In there, one of the options is going to be Send. All that you have to do after clicking on Send is to paste the Ethereum address that you copied from Trezor Suite into the recipient field. You can include all their details and check for any included fees. As long as you included the valid Ethereum address, you should be good to go. So enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to send over, review the transaction details, and confirm the transfer. Always verify the receiving address before sending any funds, and I recommend that you send a small amount of Ethereum first to confirm that the wallet address was set up properly and that you can receive the rest later. After this is done, like I said, you will be able to receive your Ethereum and manage it directly on Trezor. So repeat this process as needed, and as long as you choose the send option inside of Coinbase and you input a valid amount of Ethereum to send over, you will be good to go on this transaction. I hope I was able to help you on how to send Ethereum from Coinbase to Trezor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.